Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the amount of data used on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the admin page. By default you can access it by 192.168.0.1. This is the page that you need to go to. So there we go. You might also have to log in. The default password is admin and admin. Let me show you. So there we go. The username and the password. Admin and admin. So now log in. And here from the home page, you can check the statistics right here on the bottom. So the amount of data used by your router. For me it's 6.97 megabytes, sorry. And you can also see the total. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.